In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or simply need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will have you accessing your account quickly and smoothly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. You can do this by typing HubSpot into your preferred web browser and clicking on the official link. This is typically the first search result that appears. Make sure you're on the official HubSpot page to ensure the security of your login details. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, the next step is to locate the login button, which is conveniently situated at the top right corner of the screen. This button will take you directly to the login page where you can access your account. Navigating to the top right of the site is straightforward, and it's always helpful to remember this location for quick access in the future. Now, on the login page, you have the option to sign in using different methods. In this tutorial, we're going to use the Sign in with Google option. This method is perfect if you're already logged into your Google account on your web browser, as it streamlines the login process. Simply click on the Sign in with Google button, and a prompt will appear asking you to choose your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to select the one associated with your HubSpot profile to avoid any login issues. Choosing your Google account will automatically log you into HubSpot, given that your credentials are correct. It's a secure and efficient way to access your HubSpot account without the need to remember multiple passwords. Just a small tip here. If you're not already logged into Google, you'll be prompted to enter your Google email and password before proceeding. Once you've selected your account, you should be securely logged into HubSpot. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can access your HubSpot account with ease in just a few minutes. This method not only saves time, but also reinforces security by leveraging your existing Google account credentials. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Happy HubSpotting!